Greetings and hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at arithmetic sequences. So let's start off with some definitions. So the first one is a sequence. That is a set of numbers that are ordered in a specific way. The next thing that we're going to look at is term of a sequence. And that's each number in a sequence. So arithmetic sequences each term after the first is found by adding a constant This is known, this constant, is the common difference. And it's denoted by the letter D. So this is our vocabulary for today's lesson. So let's go ahead and get started on some problems using these vocabulary terms. So arithmetic sequence is a numerical pattern that increases or decreases at a constant rate called a common difference. So from 22 to 17 to 12 to 7 to 2, the common difference is -5. On the other hand, from -13 to -5 to 3 to 11 to 19, the common difference is 8. Each time we're adding 8. So let's take a look at our first example. So we want to determine whether the sequence is an arithmetic sequence, and we want to justify it with reasoning. So the first thing we're going to do is check the difference between terms. So my terms are 17, 14, 10, 7, and 3. So to go from 17 to 14, I need to subtract 3. To go from 14 to 10, I need to subtract 4. To go from 10 to 7, I need to subtract 3. And to go from 7 to 3, I need to subtract 4. So the difference between each of the term is -3, -4, then -3, then -4. So this sequence does not have a common difference. it's not always -3 and it's not always -4. So it is not an arithmetic sequence. Go ahead and give number 2 a try. Pause the video and try number 2. Okay, hopefully you were able to answer number 2. Let's take a look at number 3 together. So we want to determine the next 3 terms in the sequence. But first, we want to find the difference between the terms. So to go from 11 to 7, so I can do 11 minus 7, and I see that that's going to be going down 4. 7 to 3 is going to be going down 4. 3 to -1 is going to be going down 4. So the difference between each of these, so the difference is -4. Now we want to add the difference for the next 3 terms. So my last term was -1, so I'm going to have -1 plus -4, and that's going to give me -5. Then I'm going to have -5 plus -4. That's going to give me -9. And then I have -9 plus -4, and that's going to give me -13. So my next 3 terms are -5, -9, and -13. Go ahead and pause the video and try your hand at number 4. So hopefully you're able to figure out what number 4 is. Let's take a look at number 5. So we want to determine the next 3 terms in this sequence. So again, we're going to start off with finding the difference between the terms. So I can take 0.02, I can subtract it by 1.08, and that's going to give me 1.06. So we're adding 1.06 to go up, then we're going to add 1.06, and then we're going to add 1.06. So one way is you can figure out the difference between these two. Another way is you can go 1.08 minus 0.02, and that'll give you directly what it is. So we found the difference. (1.06). Now I'm going to use that to find the next 3 terms. So find next 3 terms. So the first one is going to be where we ended off at. We ended off at 3.2. And I'm going to add 1.06 onto that. When I add 3.2 and 1.06, I get 4.26. Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to add the difference again. 4.26 plus 1.06, and that gives me 5.26. 5.32. Then I'm going to take that 5.32. I'm going to add another 1.06, which gives me a total of 6.38. So these are my next three terms for this problem. Before we end the video, go ahead and pause it and take a look at this. Hopefully you're able to solve out number 6. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put a stop right there, and we're going to come back and determine the next one. Have a great day.